Hello everyone, happy Sunday and welcome to my channel DIY Arunachal. Who doesn't love vacations? And if there is a kick-ass trip planned for the vacation, excitement doubles up. मेरा तो excitement का चटनी बन गया ना. I hate to cancel my flight. I guess I'm not staying home another month. और यहाँ 47 degrees Celsius में पकना पड़ेगा. Oh. Anyways, I am back with a new tutorial video to take you to a place where I usually get my fabrics from. And please, welcome to Modinagar, city where I study. So the first shop is the craft store and it has all kind of art and craft supplies at the best price. Just a rotten piece of fruit, so I'll end up dying slowly, rotting away. See, I just want to be. So this second number shop is more of a like clothing accessories shop. I visit here only when I don't find the thing I'm looking for at the craft shop. So these two shops are in Gurudwara Road. Moving on to next is the Modi Market, which opens only on Wednesday and Saturday. I love this market because every week they come up with so many brand new fabrics. Yay! I mostly buy 40 rupees fabric because it has more of western touch than the 80 rupees. By the way, people here are more into Indian ethnic style, so maybe that's the reason for price difference. I don't know. So last is this Bhaiya shop and he has so many beautiful lead fabric, or you can call it sheer fabric, and it's a little bit pricey than the other shop because I think he has a different style of fabric and that kind of makes sense. Finally, in this Modi market I found the perfect piece for the project. So for today's DIY, I will show you how to make your choker necklace. All you need is a beautiful lace ribbon and something to attach the ends. And here is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.